Sliding windows. Washington, D.C. homeowners choose often start with residential sliding window replacement. Washington, D.C. for better comfort, style, and value. Modern sliding windows for D.C. residences can transform older facades in Capitol Hill, Georgetown, Dupont Circle, Adams Morgan, Foggy Bottom, Northeast D.C., and Northwest D.C. Whether the goal is home exterior window upgrades, durable replacement windows, or secure locking window systems, the right replacement window contractors can match architecture, improve curb appeal, and support long-term performance. Washington, D.C. home window replacement services are especially useful for row homes, townhomes, and single-family properties needing a clean, efficient upgrade with custom sliding window solutions and precise installation. Energy-efficient sliding windows. Washington, D.C. properties benefit from can reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort through all seasons. Double-pane sliding windows and insulated sliding windows help manage temperature swings, while low-E glass replacement supports better solar control and UV protection. For homeowners seeking lower utility costs, energy-efficient sliding windows, low-E replacement windows in Washington, D.C., and double-pane window replacement. Washington, D.C. options can be paired with weatherproof window sealing and drafty window. These upgrades are ideal for homes facing hot summers, chilly winters, and changing urban conditions across Washington, D.C. neighborhoods. Sliding windows. Washington, D.C. installation should include old window removal, window frame replacement, and careful fitting for lasting performance. Skilled sliding window installers in Washington, D.C. handle residential sliding window replacement, home window replacement, and window retrofit services with attention to detail. For older properties, window retrofit services can preserve the original opening while upgrading to vinyl sliding windows, aluminum sliding windows, or custom sliding window replacement. D.C. solutions. Replacement windows for homes in Georgetown, window upgrade services in Dupont Circle, and house window replacement in Adams Morgan all benefit from accurate measurement, professional sealing, and durable replacement windows built for everyday use. Broken sliding glass replacement in Washington, D.C. is often needed after impact, age, or seal failure. Residential glass replacement, residential glass and window replacement. D.C. and patio door window can restore function and safety fast. When rollers fail, window sash replacement may be the best solution. When frames are damaged, window frame replacement is essential. Patio sliding window. Washington, D.C. homeowners' request often includes secure sliding windows for D.C. homes and weatherproof window replacement in Foggy Bottom. For property owners needing quick fixes, drafty sliding window in Washington, D.C. and broken sliding glass replacement in Washington, D.C. keep homes protected and functional. Vinyl replacement windows. Washington, D.C. homes rely on are popular for low maintenance, strong insulation, and long-term value. Vinyl sliding windows and vinyl replacement windows. Washington, D.C. homes can deliver a clean appearance while helping reduce drafts and outside noise. Aluminum sliding windows remain a solid choice for certain designs, especially where strength and slim profiles matter. Aluminum sliding window replacement in Washington, D.C. is useful for modern projects, while modern sliding windows for D.C. residences can complement both traditional and updated exteriors. The best residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. contractors will recommend the right material based on budget, style, and performance goals. Affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C. does not have to mean sacrificing quality. Replacement window contractors near Capitol Hill, sliding window installation in Northwest D.C., and residential window installers in Northeast D.C. can provide options that balance price and durability. Homeowners looking for affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C. can compare energy-efficient sliding windows, double-pane sliding windows, and custom sliding window solutions to find the best fit. Washington, D.C. home window replacement services are often tailored for row homes, townhomes, and compact city homes where precision, value, and efficiency matter most. Weatherproof window sealing is essential for preventing air leaks, moisture intrusion, and seasonal discomfort. Drafty window. Drafty sliding window in Washington, D.C. and weatherproof window replacement in foggy bottom help maintain a comfortable interior and protect building materials. Low-E glass replacement and insulated sliding windows can further improve performance, especially in high-traffic urban areas. For older homes, old window removal followed by window retrofit services can upgrade the envelope without major disruption. Energy-efficient sliding windows. Washington, D.C. residents install often rely on these ceiling and insulation improvements for strong year-round results. Custom sliding window solutions can solve unusual openings, historic dimensions, and unique style demands. Residential sliding window replacement. Washington, D.C. projects often require custom sliding window replacement DC services to match row homes in Washington, D.C. and preserve architectural character. Home exterior window upgrades can include secure locking window systems, durable replacement windows, and low-E replacement windows in Washington, D.C. for better security and efficiency. Replacement windows for row homes in Washington, D.C., window replacement contractors near Capitol Hill, and window upgrade services in Dupont Circle all benefit from tailored design, exact sizing, and professional installation that looks seamless. Broken sliding glass replacement, patio door window, and residential glass replacement are common service needs for busy city homes. Sliding window installers in Washington, D.C. can damage panels, replace worn components, and improve operation with window sash replacement or window frame replacement. For homeowners searching for modern window upgrades, residential glass and window replacement DC services can refresh the entire look of the home while improving function. House window replacement in Adams Morgan, replacement windows for homes in Georgetown, and secure sliding windows for DC homes all become easier with experienced replacement window contractors and the right materials. Sliding windows. Washington, D.C. homes need should combine style, efficiency, and reliability. Double pane window replacement. Washington, D.C. Vinyl sliding windows, aluminum sliding windows, and insulated sliding windows all offer strong benefits when installed correctly. From patio sliding window Washington, D.C. to residential sliding window replacement Washington, D.C., each project can improve comfort, security, and appearance. Whether the need is residential glass replacement, old window removal, custom sliding window solutions, or affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C., the result is a better home with lasting value, stronger weather protection, and smoother operation. Residential sliding window replacement Washington, D.C. delivers stronger comfort, better curb appeal, and lasting performance for homes across the city. Homeowners looking for modern sliding windows for D.C. residences can upgrade with durable replacement windows, insulated sliding windows, secure locking window systems, and energy-efficient sliding windows Washington, D.C. For home exterior window upgrades, replacement window contractors can improve security, reduce drafts, and boost value with custom sliding window solutions designed for local weather and style. Sliding window installation in Northwest D.C. is ideal for homeowners wanting smooth operation, clean lines, and reliable ventilation. Whether the project involves vinyl sliding windows, aluminum sliding windows, or custom sliding window replacement D.C., professional sliding window installers in Washington, D.C. can handle old window removal, window retrofit services, and weatherproof sliding window sealing. Many properties benefit from replacement windows for homes in Georgetown, window upgrade services in Dupont Circle, and affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C. with long-lasting results. Double pane sliding windows and low-E glass replacement are smart choices for energy savings and comfort in Washington, D.C. homes. Energy-efficient sliding windows, double pane window replacement Washington, D.C., and low-E replacement windows in Washington, D.C. help reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and support noise-reducing windows for busy streets. Homeowners seeking vinyl replacement windows Washington, D.C. homes or aluminum sliding window replacement in Washington, D.C. can also improve performance with weatherproof window replacement in foggy bottom and secure sliding windows for D.C. homes. Broken glass and worn components often require fast, targeted residential glass replacement, broken sliding glass replacement in Washington, D.C., patio sliding window Washington, D.C., and patio door window can restore function without full replacement. Services like window sash replacement, drafty window, drafty sliding window in Washington, D.C., and residential glass and window replacement D.C. are essential for homes with aging frames, damaged seals, or difficult operation in Adams Morgan, Northeast D.C., and nearby neighborhoods. Custom sliding window solutions are especially useful for older homes, row houses, and properties needing precise fits. Window frame replacement, home window replacement, and residential sliding window replacement Washington, D.C. can address structural issues while improving appearance and efficiency. Replacement windows for row homes in Washington, D.C., house window replacement in Adams Morgan, and window replacement contractors near Capitol Hill often include secure locking window systems, durable replacement windows, and modern window upgrades for better day-to-day living. Sliding windows Washington, D.C. homeowners choose should combine style, strength, and energy performance. Sliding window installation, window retrofit services, and residential glass replacement help create a more comfortable home with reduced maintenance and better insulation. From broken sliding glass replacement in Washington, D.C. to residential window installers in Northeast D.C., the best residential window replacement Washington, D.C. services deliver dependable solutions for every neighborhood and every type of home.